So actually your face value is 10 lakh. How much available? 5 lakh. How much shortage? Another 5 lakh. For that you have to create the CRR. So 10,000 into 100 is 10 lakh. 10%, 10 lakh, 1 lakh means 11 lakh is required. 30,000 from equity share premium, 70,000 from the profit and loss account, made it up 1 lakh. 5,000 equity share of rupees 100 is at rupees 120. Fresh issue has been made. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Financial Accounting 3, third semester, Unit 5, Session 2, BBA, and the chapter goes Redemption of Preference Share. Already we solved one problem in the last session. Now we are going to solve another two problems about the redemption of preference. What is redemption of preference share? I told you, payback preference share. It should be paid either at a par or at a premium, not at a discount. Fresh issue can be made either a equity share or preference share, but not debenture. It can be paid either at par or at a premium, not at a discount. Fresh issue can be made equity share and preference share. You have to create the CRR out of general reserve and profit and loss account, which is considered as the sources of fund. What's the entry? General reserve account data, profit and loss account data to CRR account. So we'll move on to the problem now. Rishi Limited had to redeem 10,000, 10%, 10% means rate of dividend. This is rate of dividend. 10% redeemable preference share of rupees 100. So 10,000 into 100 at a premium of 5% on 31/3/2019. The company made the following issues. 5,000 equity share of 100 is at rupees 120 per share. They are going to issue 10% debenture of rupees 5 lakh at a discount of 5%. This is rupees 5 lakh at a discount of 5%. The issue was successful and all the cash against them was received. The profit and loss account balance shows the 8 lakh. So first we have to understand how many share? 10,000 into 100 you have to multiply. Here, working note. Preference share capital. Preference share capital. You got 10,000 share of rupees 100 each. See the question? How many shares are there? 10,000, 10% of rupees 100 each. So 1 followed by 4, 6. This is 10 lakh. 3, 5, 6. So 10,000 into 100 is 10 lakh to be paid. So how much premium you have to pay? 5% premium. Add 5% premium. In the bracket, 10 lakh into 5 by 100. You have to pay the premium. Cancel the zeros. So it is 50,000. 5 ones are 5 followed by 4, 4, 0, 50,000. Totally we have to pay 10 lakh 50,000 to pay. Total payable. How much you have to pay? 10 lakh 50,000. Bifurcate this. Face value rupees 10 lakh. Okay. Premium 5% rupees 50,000. Totally we have to pay 10 lakh 50,000. This is payable. What are the problems? I think you understand. What is the face value? 10,100 is 10 lakh. Plus 5% premium is 50,000. How much is payable? 10 lakh 50,000 is payable. What's your face value? 10 lakh. Your premium is 50,000. Become 10 lakh 50,000. Then We'll move on. What the problem says? 10,000. So they issue, for the sake of, they have mentioned the number now. How many shares were issued? 5,000 equity share of rupees 100 is at rupees 120. Fresh issue has been made. Fresh issue. $5,000. See the board. How many share? 5,000 share at rupees 120. The fresh issue is made. 12 5s are 60, followed by 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 6 lakh. So we require 10 lakh 50,000. How much is available? 6 lakh is available. Regarding the premium, whether the premium is there now, here we have 5% premium. How much premium is payable? Here 5%. 50,000 is payable, the premium. Any premium is available, see that? 5,000 equity share, 100 each at rupees 120. That means here, so 5,000 into 100. This is 5 lakh. Premium, this is face value. Premium. 5,000 into 20. It is 1 lakh. Totally 6 lakh. So 5 lakh is the face value, 1 lakh is the premium, 6 lakh. Actually premium payable how much? 50,000. How much available by issuing the 1 lakh? From this premium, we can pay this premium. Preference share premium can be paid out of the equity share premium. What's your face value now? 5 lakh is there. Totally we have to pay face value 10 lakh, 10 lakh 50,000 to pay. Here we have to pay 10 lakh. By issuing the fresh issue, how much you got? 5 lakh rupees. Totally 6 lakh, no? Out of 6 lakh, 5 lakh is the face value. This is your face value. This is the premium. What's your face value? 5 lakh. How much is the premium? 1 lakh. Premium to premium. What's your 5 lakh? So actually your face value is 10 lakh. How much available? 5 lakh. How much shortage? Another 5 lakh. For that you have to create the CRR with the help of general reserve or profit and loss account. What is available? See that. In your profit and loss account balance is how much is there? 8 lakh. This debenture, no? This cannot be utilized. I told you, no? Debenture cannot be utilized. How much available? 8 lakh. You can take 5 lakh here. Create CRR. So 5 lakh by fresh issue, another 5 lakh from the profit and loss account, create the CRR. 5 lakh CRR, 10 lakh premium to premium. Regarding the debenture, here now, how much debenture is 5 lakh at a discount of rupees 5 lakh debenture? You got 5 lakh rupees minus 5% discount, 5 by 100. This is 10% 50, 25,000. It becomes 4,75,000. What's the entry? Bank account debtor, discount account debtor to debenture account. What's the entry? Bank account debtor, discount account debtor to debenture account. So premium to premium, face value to face value. For the balance, you have created this. Out of 8 lakh, how much we have taken? 5 lakh. How much still left over? Another 3 lakh in the profit and loss account. We make the CRR with the help of profit and loss account to the extent of 5 lakh. How much left over? 3 lakh. That be kept in the profit and loss account. Now, we'll move on now. What is the first one issue? Company should have redeemed 10,000 share of it. How many shares were issued? 5,000 equity share of rupees 100 each at rupees 120. First entry, bank account debtor. How many shares were issued? 5,000 at rupees 120. 5,000 at rupees 120 it comes to 6 lakh. 2, share capital 5,000 into 100, it is 5 lakh. 2, share premium 5,000 into 20, 1 lakh. So you got a face value how much? 5 lakh, and this 5 lakh goes to face value and your share premium is 1 lakh. So this first entry goes. So you got 5 lakh, 6 lakh. Then you created your CRR or issue the premium. How many premium is payable? 50,000. Equity share premium account data. Equity share premium account data 50,000 to redeemable preference share premium 50,000. What's the entry? Equity share premium account data to preference share premium account. Number 3, premium to premium, face value 5 lakh, another face value 5 lakh, we can take from the profit and loss account. Profit and loss account data. How much you have got? 8 lakh. You take 5 lakh from that, 5 lakh. To CRR account, 5 lakh. We created the CRR from the profit and loss account. What is the first entry? Bank account data to share cap. See the entry? Bank account data 6 lakh, to share capital 5 lakh, to share premium 1 lakh. Okay. Now you got a premium. From the equity share premium, pay the preference share premium. Equity share premium account data to preference share premium account. How much you already got? 5 lakh. How much another shortage? Another 5 lakh. You create the CRR from the profit and loss account. Profit and loss account data to CRR account. Fourth entry, transfer entry, redeemable preference share. Redeemable preference share, capital account data 10 lakh. Redeemable preference share, premium account data 50,000 to redeemable preference share holders account. Holders account 10 lakh 50,000. Being preference share capital and preference share premium transfer to holders account. Pay now. Redeemable preference share holders account data. Redeemable preference share holders account data 10 lakh 50,000 to bank account 10 lakh 50,000. Being preference shareholder paid. I will explain 5 entry, 10 mass. I will explain the entry. So your problem is 10,000 share, 10% of rupees 100 each. Premium is 5% you have to pay. Okay. So 10,000 in 100 is 10 lakh. See that? 10,000 in 100 is 10 lakh rupees you have got. How much premium you have to pay? 5% premium on rupees 10 lakh, it comes to 50,000. Total how much is payable? 10 lakh 50,000 payable. I have made it. No, what's your face value? 10 lakh. What's your premium? 50,000. Face value to face value, premium to premium. For 10,000, by issuing the share, how much you got? 5 lakh. How much shortage? Another 5 lakh. For that, you create the CRR from profit and loss account. So we can satisfy this. Then preference share premium can be paid out of the equity share premium. How much premium available? 1 lakh. Utilize 50,000 in order to pay the premium. So premium to premium, face value to face value have been adjusted. Now we'll pass the entry here. What is the first entry? Bank account debtor 6 lakh to share capital account. Here bank account debtor 5,000 into 20. What's your face value? 100. 120 means 20 is the premium. 6 lakh to share capital 5 lakh to share premium 1 lakh. So being share issued at a premium. Now from the equity share premium, pay the preference share. How much you require? 50,000. Equity share premium account debtor to preference share premium account. So premium to premium is adjusted. Now, you got for 10 lakh, how much available? 5 lakh. How much shortage? Another 5 lakh. You take from the profit and loss account. Entry. Here, equity share. Profit and loss account debtor 5 lakh to CRR account 5 lakh. Now you take the premium to premium, face value to face value. Now you can pay. Redeemable RSRP means redeemable preference share capital account debtor, redeemable preference share premium account debtor to redeemable preference share holders account. Last entry, redeemable preference share holders account debtor to bank account. Each entry 2 marks. Totally 10 marks. This is redemption of preference share. Redemption of preference share means paid back of preference share. I think you followed. If you want, I can explain once again. He say, how many shares are there? 10,000 shares are there. What's your face value? 100. 10,000 in 100 is 10 lakh at a premium of 5%. See the working note? So 10,100 is 10 lakh. 5% premium is 50,000. How much is payable? 10 lakh 50,000 is payable. Make a mark. Preference share capital plus premium. What's your preference share capital required? 10 lakh. How much premium required? 50,000. Now, by issuing the fresh issue, 5,000 at rupees 20 is 6 lakh. That is, face value is 5 lakh premium. So, premium to premium. Premium to premium. Face value to face value. 10 lakh to 5 lakh, 50,000 to 1 lakh. Okay. So, we can utilize. How much shortage will come? 10 lakh required. By fresh issue, how much you got? 5 lakh. How much shortage? Another 5 lakh. You take from the profit and created CRR from profit and loss account. To the extent of how much? 5 lakh. See that? What's the entry I have passed? Bank account debtor to share capital 2 share premium. It issued to rupees 120. So you got 6 lakh, 5 lakh, 1 lakh. Equity share premium to preference share premium. Then profit and loss account debtor to CRR account. Now, before paying to transfer to holder account, redeemable preference share capital account debtor, redeemable preference share premium account debtor to redeemable preference share holder account. Last entry, redeemable preference share holder account debtor to bank account. I think you understand this entry. So each entry contains 2 marks. I think very easy entry now. We'll go to next problem now. Next problem says, another problem. Moon Company Limited has 10,000, 10% redeemable preference share of rupees 100 each. So 10,000 to 100 is 10 lakh. The company decided to redeem the share at a premium of 10%. So 10,000 into 100 is 10 lakh. 10%, 10 lakh, 1 lakh means 11 lakh is required. They issue 3,000 equity share of rupees 100 each means 3 lakh 2,500, 12% debenture of A. This is not for redemption, just issue. The issue was fully subscribed, all the amount received, the redemption was duly carried out, the company has sufficient profit and loss account and bank balance. So you require your face value is how much? 10 lakh. So 10 lakh at a premium of 10%. How many shares were issued? 3,000 equity share of 100 each means 3 lakh. 10% means 30,000. So you got 3 lakh 30,000. How much is premium in payable? So 10,000 into 100 is 10 lakh. I will show in the working note now. Working note. Preference share capital 10,000 you got of rupees 100 each, See the board? 10,000 of rupees 100 each. So 1 followed by 60, it is 10 lakh. Plus 10% premium. 10% of 10 lakh is 1 lakh. How much is payable? 11 lakh. So, what's your face value? 10 lakh is the face value. How much is the premium? 10% is the premium is 1 lakh. Totally payable is 11 lakh. Payable. Then come back here. You make a mark. Face value rupees 10 lakh. Premium rupees 1 lakh. Totally 11 lakh. Total recovery. 10 lakh is the face value, 1 lakh is the premium, totally payable 11 lakh. Now, here the problem says, you go with the problem. How much is a fresh issue? 3,000 equity share of 100 each at 10% premium. Fresh equity shares. Fresh issue equity. 3,000 into rupees 100. 3 followed by 50, 3 lakh. Plus premium. At what rate it was issued? See that? 300 each at 10% premium. Premium 10%. 10% of 3 lakh is 30,000. You got how much money? 3 lakh 30,000. This is the face value. Premium. Okay. What's your face value? 10 lakh. For 10 lakh, you got 3 lakh. How much shortage? 7 lakh. 1 lakh, you got how much? 30,000. How much shortage? 70,000. What is the next says? So 2,000, this goes in favor of debenture only. Only 180. 2,500 into 100. So issue was subscribed. The company has sufficient profit and bank balance. So they have got sufficient balance in profit and loss account. Whatever you share, you have got issue the share, 3,000 share at the rupees 100, 3 lakh, 3 lakh 30,000 come. 3 lakh has come. How much shortage? 7 lakh you can take from the profit and loss account. Then regarding the premium, you got a premium of 30,000. Actually premium payable, see that how much premium is payable? 1 lakh because this is 10% now. The company at a premium of 10%, 1 lakh is payable. How much available? 30,000. You can take 70,000 from the profit and loss account. Okay. Then how to pass the entry regarding the debenture? How many debenture issue? 2,500 debenture at the rate of rupees 100 each. 25 on the 25, followed by how many zeros? Here, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2,50,000. I will show the entry. Bank account data to debenture account. How much you got? 2 lakh. That should not be utilized. that money should not be utilized. So what is the first one? Equity share. First entry. Bank account debtor 3,000 share at the rate of rupees. See that? What's your face value? 100 at a premium of 10 means 110. 110. This is 3,30,000. 2. Equity share capital 3,000 into 100, 3 lakh. 2. Equity share premium 3,000 into 10, 30,000. So you got how much money? 3,30,000. Second entry. What's the premium? What's the premium is payable? 1 lakh. How much premium? 30,000. How much shortage? 70,000. You can take from profit and loss account. Entry. Second entry. Equity share premium account debtor 30,000. Profit and loss account debtor, you can take from the sufficient amount is there. Profit and loss account debtor 70,000. 2. Redeemable preference share premium this is 1 lakh we require. How you have taken? 30,000 from equity share premium, 70,000 from the profit and loss account, made it of 1 lakh. Now, third entry, equity share issued, all the shares issued. Now, try. We require, what's the first entry? Create the general reserve. Totally, we got 3 lakh. How much is payable? 10 lakh. How much shortage? 7 lakh. You take the 7 lakh from profit and loss account and create the CRR. Profit and loss account debtor 7 lakh to CRR account 7 lakh. So you got 3 lakh plus 7 lakh becomes 10 lakh. So 30,000 plus 70,000, 7 lakh created from the profit and loss account. Fourth entry, transfer entry, redeemable preference share capital account debtor, redeemable preference share capital account debtor, how much? 10 lakh. Redeemable preference share premium account debtor 1 lakh to redeemable preference share holders account. Redeemable preference share capital account debtor, redeemable preference share premium account debtor to redeemable preference share capital account holder account debtor 11 lakh. What's your face value? 10 lakh. How much is the premium? 1 lakh. How much is payable? 11 lakh. How to make it up? Out of 10 lakh, 3 lakh by equity shares now, 7 lakh from profit and loss account. How much premium is payable? 1 lakh. You already got 30,000 premium the equity share. How much shortage? 70,000 has been taken the profit and loss account. Last entry, paid, redeemable preference share, redeemable preference share, holders account debtor, 11 lakh to bank account 11 lakh. I will repeat the entry. If we see the board, we can understand. You got 10,000, 10% redeemable preference share of rupees 100 each. The company decided to redeem at a premium of 10%. What's your face value? 10,000 into 100 is 10 lakh. That I have worked out. See that. 10,000 into 100 is 10 lakh. How much is the premium? 10% is the premium. 10% of 10 lakh is 1 lakh. How much is payable? 11 lakh is payable. Now, come back with the form. Your face value is 10 lakh. How much is the premium? 1 lakh is required. Premium to premium. By issuing the fresh equity share, you issued 3,000 equity share 100 each. 3 lakh is the face value. And 10% premium, 30,000 is a premium. How much premium payable? 1 lakh. But how much available? 30,000 available. You can take 70,000 from the profit and loss account. By fresh issue, how much you got? 3 lakh. How much actually face value you have to pay? 10 lakh. How much shortage? 7 lakh. You can take from the profit and loss account and create the CRR. That's what I did now. Okay. Now, how the entry passes now? Then one more entry for debenture. One more entry. How many debentures are issued? See that. Only entry you have to pass. 2,500 into 100. Bank account debtor 2,500 into 100. This is 2 lakh, 25 followed by 40, 2 lakh 50,000. 2. What's the rate of debenture? 2, 12% debenture. 2, 12% debenture. 2 lakh 50,000. This money cannot be utilized only for the journal entry. This money cannot be utilized for redemption of preference share is a law. So the only entry has to be passed here. So your cash at bank is raised by how much money? 2,50,000. What is the first entry? Bank account debtor to equity share capital to equity share premium. Then pay the preference share premium. So equity share premium account debtor, profit and loss account debtor to redeemable preference share premium account. Then profit and loss account debtor 7 lakh to CRR account 7 lakh. Pay the amount. Redeemable preference share capital account debtor 10 lakh. Redeemable preference share premium account debtor 1 lakh to redeemable preference shareholder account 11 lakh. That is to pay, payable. Now you pay the amount. Redeemable preference shareholder account debtor to bank account 11 lakh. So this entry debenture only for raise the cash at bank. Entry bank account debtor to 12% debenture. This is no way connected for redemption of debenture. This is only for entry to raise the cash at bank account. I think you can follow. You have solved the two problems at a stretch. Even previous problem, you see that same thing we have done in the previous problem. In the previous problem, what we did now, 10,000, 10% redeemable preference 100 each means 10 lakh at a premium of 5%. So for this one entry, you can pass here. Here now, if you want, you can pass here. One entry, 6 entry. Here, what's the debenture you got? Here, 5 lakh. How much you are receiving? 4 lakh. 75,000 discount is 25,000. Bank account debtor 4,75,000. Discount account debtor 25,000. 2. What's the value of the debenture? See that? To 10% debenture. ₹5 lakh. This is no way connected for redemption of debenture to raise the cash at bank. So, while you are doing the problem, here now, old problem, here, how many have 10,000 divided 100 each, 10 lakh at a premium of 5%. I have explained 10 lakh, 5% is 50,000. How much is payable? 10 lakh, 50,000. What's your face value? 10 lakh, 50,000 is a premium. So by fresh issue, you got 5 lakh. What's your premium? 1 lakh. Fresh issue, 5 lakh, premium is 1 lakh. How much is payable? 50,000. Out of 1 lakh, we can utilize how much money? 50,000. How much totally require? 10 lakh rupees. How much available? 5 lakh. How much created? CR from profit and loss account? Another 5. Same entry you have passed. Bank account data 6 lakh. 2 share capital 5 lakh. 2 share premium 1 lakh. Then you require 50,000 equity share premium account data, preference share premium account. Another regarding the 10 lakh, you already got 5 lakh for issuing the share. How much shortage? Another 5 lakh. Profit and loss account data to CRR account. Pay the amount. Redeemable preference share capital account data, redeemable preference share premium account data to redeemable preference shareholder account. In last entry, redeemable preference shareholder account data to bank account. One for the debenture, bank account data, discount account data to 10% debenture. Regarding the new one, 10,000 into 100 is 10 lakh at a premium of 10%. I show the working note. 10,100 is 10 lakh. 10% premium is 1 lakh. Totally payable 11 lakh. 10 lakh is the face value. 1 lakh is the premium. So by issuing the fresh issue, you got 3 lakh 30,000. How much is payable? 1 lakh. How much is available? 30,000. I take 70,000 from the profit and loss account. How much is payable now? 10 lakh. How much available? 3 lakh. I took 7 lakh from the profit and loss account to create the CRR. Bank account data to equity share capital to equity share premium. Equity share premium account data, profit and loss account data to redeemable preference share premium account. I took 7 lakh from the P&L account to pay the 10 lakh rupees. Profit and loss account data to CRR account. Now, before paying, transfer entry, redeemable preference share capital account data, redeemable preference share premium account data to redeemable preference shareholder account, redeemable preference shareholder account data to bank account. One entry for debenture, bank account data to 12% debenture. This is only entry to raise the cash at bank. This money cannot be utilized for redemption of preference share. So, before going here now, before you close this now, the major point to be bear in mind here now, redemption of preference share can be made either at a par or a premium, not at a discount. It should be fully paid up. Only fresh issue of equity share or preference share can be made. Debenture cannot be utilized. You can create the CRR with the help of general reserve and profit and loss account. In the examination, what we have to look after in the last session, in the last problem now, what we did know? First, we'll issue the share, then we create the CRR. In the first problem, what did you know? First, we created the CR. For the balance, we have issued the share. See that numbers are given. First, issue the share, then create the CRR. Or if the numbers are not given, first create the CRR with the help of general reserve and profit and loss account, then made the fresh issue. This is very, very important point to bear in mind here now. First, whether the numbers of share issue is given, issue the share. For the balance, you have to create the CRR with the help of general reserve and profit and loss account. If the fresh issue is not, numbers are given, issue the share, then create the CR. If the numbers are not given, first create the CRR with the help of general reserve and profit and loss account. Then, regarding the premium, from equity share premium, pay the preference share premium. If there is a shortage, equity share premium account data, then profit and loss account data, reserve account data, capital reserve account data to redeemable preference share premium. You can utilize that. What's the other entry? Equity share premium account data, profit and loss account data, capital reserve account data, general reserve account data to redeemable preference share premium account. Very, very simple. Only 5 entries, sometimes 6 entry, so that we can easily solve this. 10 marks is in your pocket. Very easy problem is there. So we have solved the 3 problems here. In the next session, we go to another 2 problems with a balance sheet. With a balance sheet, we are going to sell. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.